how to put ads on your YouTube videos on phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable ads on your YouTube videos on mobile. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. But before showing this tutorial, note that the process of putting ads on your YouTube videos will be pretty much same on Android and iPhone device. Now, in order to put ads on your YouTube videos on your smartphone, first you need to download an application called YouTube Studio, and you can get it on both Play Store as well as App Store. So first, download and install this app on your smartphone. Once you installed this app on your Android or iOS device, first open YouTube Studio and make sure you have signed in to your YouTube account that contains your channel. And now, in order to put ads on your YouTube videos, make sure that your channel is also monetized. And if you want to know how to completely get monetized on YouTube, then watch this video on my channel. I have shown step-by-step process to get monetized on YouTube, like how you can apply for YouTube Partner Program, how you can set up and connect Google AdSense account so that YouTube can transfer your earning to your AdSense account, thereby you can receive your payments, and how you can get approved fast for monetization process. All those things in that one single video, and I will link that video in the description. You can watch there. So once your channel is monetized, now you can open YouTube Studio app. So in YouTube Studio app, what are you gonna do? First, click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left corner and then tap on videos. Now here you can see most of my videos are monetized. You can see this green dollar icon means these videos are already monetized, and I have already turned on monetization of these videos, and also I have put ads in these videos as well. By the way, for this video, I have not enabled monetization and put ads, and I'm gonna show you how you can put ads in this video. So first, tap on the video which is not monetized, and then tap on this pencil icon, and here scroll down and tap on where it says up below public, and here you can see monetization of this video is up. To turn it on, tap on here and turn it on. Once you turned on monetization of your video, below you can see these are the type of ads which gonna be showing off in your video, and here I recommend you to select all these ads so that you can make more money from your video. And here you can see you cannot enable or disable display ad on your video. This is by default already set. So this is how you can put ads on your YouTube videos for videos less than 8 minutes. And if you have any video which is over 8 minutes long, then you can enable mid-roll ads in that video and you can make more money from that video. By the way, I'm going to show you how you can do that in your phone as well. So now let's go back, and to save these settings, click on save. And here you can see monetization of this video has been turned on. Now let's go back. And here I have a longer video which is about 8 minutes long, means I can put more ads in this video. Let me show you guys here. So first let me click on the video, and then let me click on this pencil icon, and now let's click on monetization. And if I scroll down here you can see there are 3 more options has been enabled for this longer video which is about 8 minutes long. So here I have put after video post roll ads in my videos, and I have not placed before video pre-roll ads because I don't want to put so many ads in my videos. And guys, here you can see the during video which is mid-roll ads, and by this you can place multiple ads in your video, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. By the way, here you cannot do this. Here in YouTube Studio app you cannot do it. By the way, you can do it in any browser. So now let me show you how you can put mid-roll ads in your videos. So now let's go back and open any browser on your phone, just like Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, etc. And then go to youtube.com and sign in to your YouTube account which contains your channel. And make sure you have turned on desktop site on your browser. Once your browser gets desktop mode, tap on your channel icon which is at the top right, and then tap on YouTube Studio. And here in the left section, click on this icon, your channel content. And here you can see this is the longer video which is about 13 minutes long. Now here tap on that video which is about 8 minutes long, and then tap on this dollar icon. And here it is. Now you can manage mid-roll ads in your videos. So tap on manage mid-roll ads. And as you can see already, I have put 3 ads in my video, and here you can place multiple ad break in your videos, and so that you can make more money. So how you can do that? First select any timestamp in your videos and then tap on add break. And here we go. I have placed another ad in my video. And again, you can select another timestamp and you can tap on ad break, and thereby you can place more ads in your videos and then you can make more money. So by the way, I'm not gonna put more ads in my videos. Now after placing multiple mid-roll ads in your video, tap on continue and again zoom out and tap on save. And that's it. That's how you can put mid-roll ads in your videos. And this is pretty much it. This is how you can put ads on your YouTube videos on phone. And if you found this video helpful, do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to add payments method to your Google AdSense account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.